Ang dami nito ko ma. So old school.
Magandang gabi, Hoopers, and welcome back to the Sayus Basketball League Oldies but Goodies 40 Up Division. Ako nga pala si Kevin Obilia at Arrow Sports PH, your man on the mic, and I'll be bringing every play, every bucket, and every big moment to life dito sa Dacon Homes Basketball Court. Ang ating game at hand, it's Manila Kingpin East going up against CBA Hoopers. CBA got a win on their previous outing against OKC Thunders, 79-71, resulta na rin ng kanilang collective effort ng team nila led by Muhammad with 19 points and 11 rebounds. Sa kabilang banda, Manila Kingpin East trying to break into the win column after hindi matapos yung laro nila due to the weather conditions. And I can see here Ehe and Demata. One providing the offensive firepower, and of course Ehe with his defensive prowess. And every possession counts here, every play counts, and every bucket could make the difference, lalo na't we're only having a short elimination round format, kaya naman kaabang-abang ang may papakita nila dito sa game. Sino nga kaya ang makakakuha ng upper hand? Will CBA go back-to-back? Or will Manila Kingpin East come out on top? Let's all find out. This is Sayus Basketball League. We'll be right back with the tip-off.
Maganda to, wala ka doon mo. Parang hindi lang ang charger. May trabaho kayo, wala kayong charger. Oh, yung piatos niya. Mana niya man?
Nago kasi.
Sabi na mo, parang ko hindi. May saraneta. Ha? May saraneta. Ha? Wala. Notice, respect. Bola ba? Ito yun natin po ng mga bola. Phase 5 to. Phase 5 kaya Mark. Phase 5.
And we're just about to start here dito sa Sayus Basketball League. And for CBA Hoopers here, we have Deluta starting. And we have also
ano ba, technical ba sasabi mo?
Ryan Sarsuelo also for them. We got also Muhammad, Ariel Muhammad, best player of the ball game on their previous outing. And we also have here Subiaga. And of course, their man on the point.
Point tayo. Oo, tayo. Wala.
And Panaligan, their man on the point right here. Dito naman sa kabilang banda, we have Yap Valle. We also have Semilia Villena. And one more guy right here. I believe that is Francia. Or Tagatin rather. My apologies. First possession here. CBA Hoopers. Down low. Subiaga misses. As Kingpin clears the board. On the break. Semilia blocked there by Muhammad. Leo gets it back. and finishes the basket or makes the basket right here with a short jumper. Ito naman ang CBA Hoopers sa kanilang offensiva. Muhammad, the uptake, the shot, misses that. Here comes Kingpin on the run. Passes it to Leo. Jason Yap, one-hander is a miss. Subiaga with the rebound. Manaligan. Sarsuela this time. Passing it back to the Luta. The spin move. Double clutches it. And makes the basket right here for CBA Hoopers, tying the game 2 apiece with 8 minutes and 42 seconds. Kagatin passes to Yap, down to Valle, down low, overcooks it. They got the offensive rebound. Kagatin will shoot from deep. The Luta with a rebound. And on that rebound play, there is a foul on number 29 of Manila Kingpin East. That is Semilia, Ednel Semilia with a first personal foul. Loose ball foul. Sarsuela passes it to Muhammad. Misses that one. Leo with a rebound. Here comes Kingpin East. Semilia gets the bang in the bucket. And he will troop to the charity stripe for a bonus free throw. Lagay mo. Habol yan.
Walang 29, walang 29 sa loob.
20 yata.
Muhammad.
Sarsuela passes it on the wing. Panaligan shoots it. Misses that one. Valle clears the rebound. Kagatin will try to map out the play for Kingpin. Leo down low, passes it back though. Valle with the elbow jump shot. That is good. Make that 6-2 with 7 minutes and 28 seconds. De Luta passes it to Muhammad, trying to do the give and go. Panaligan gets it back for CBA. Sarsuela for 3. Overcooks it. Panaligan though gets the miss, but it gets blocked up top. Kanila pa rin ang possession dito. To the dismay, but De Luta all alone down low. And he gets the basket to go. 6-4. Much to the dismay of Manila Kingpin East here. They're asking for a backcourt violation. Here they go again. Valle once more, the one-hander. That's short. De Luta with a rebound. It's a 4-on-2 break. Panaligan to Muhammad. Finishes the lay-in. That is 4-2. The 4-on-2 break was properly executed right there. The game is now tied 6 apiece. Here comes Kagatin. Trying to break down the defense. It's an elbow jumper. Misses that. Muhammad with a rebound. Here comes Muhammad on the loose. But it was intercepted. Play was intercepted and stopped by Jason Yap right here. On CBA Hoopers will have 17 seconds on the shot clock to manufacture a basket. The knockout play is a miss right there. And it's a steal here by Muhammad. Pass down low to Zubiaga. And he gets a foul in the process. And Zubiaga will shoot for 2 free throws right here after getting that foul. And Kagatin is actually asking the referees to not award 2 free throws due to Zubiaga passing it once he got fouled. Zubiaga splits his charities, but nonetheless, they now take the lead 7-6 with 5 minutes and 42 seconds remaining dito sa ating unang yugto. It is a Serious Basketball League as Jason Yap shoots a 3-pointer, overcooks it. But etong Manila Kingpin East unable to take advantage. The overpass though there by Deluta. Here comes Leo. Back to Kagatin. Overshoots that one. At eto na, Sarsuela. Trying to check his options. Pass to Panaligan. Putting Anido. Muhammad gets a rebound. But he got fouled. And this triggers our mandatory substitution. Muhammad unable to get his first free throw. And this triggers our mandatory substitution. Second shot, unable to make that. And ball possession goes back to CBA Hoopers. Ito na, Tagulabong will inbound the ball to Quintao, who shoots from deep. Misses that. At eto, Chris DeMata shoots a three-pointer. Misses that. And for those who don't know, Chris DeMata actually played for the Aros Basketball League and holds the record of 17 3-pointers. Why is that important? Kagabi lamang po, JR Cusa got 16 3-pointers to go. And right on cue there, Chris DeMata knocks down his first 3-point shot here dito sa larong ito. So let's see if JR Cusa will be able to get more 3-pointers made dito, and if Chris DeMata will take on the challenge and also beat that record of JR Cusa. Let's all find out as the season progresses. Balik dito sa Manila Kingpin East ang bola. Belmonte, a little bit more patient right here, down low. Gatuola. But down low, the pass break finish right there for CBA Hoopers. Manila Kingpin East back on the offensive. They pass it down to Ehe. Trying to create space for him. Running out of real estate right there is Jeremy Ehe. Balik sa CBA ang possession. Forward pass to Bersosa. Down low. Pero that's a missed shot. Rebound is cleared by Manila Kingpin East. That would be Estanislao who clears the board. Here comes DeMata. The pass back to Belmonte. The one-hander gets the lucky bounce. And Quintao will get it across for CBA Hoopers as they try to map out the play. Bersosa checking his options down low. There's a pass but intercepted by Gataula. Belmonte now. Ilang iniwasan ni Estanislao yung pasa ni Belmonte doon. Here comes Bersosa. He shoots it. That's a little bit short. DeMata now on the run right here. Chris DeMata trying to finish this with a lefty. Estanislao gets it back. And with the drop pass, shovels the pass to Chris DeMata to finish that and make that basket. 13-9 sa ating talaan. 2 minutes remaining sa ating first quarter. And this time, CBA Hoopers got called for a backcourt violation. Ball possession will now go to Manila Kingpin East. Belmonte shoots it from deep, off to the left. Passes it to Tagulabong. And Quintao will now bring down the ball. Passes it forward. That's a missed shot. Eje will track the rebound. He wants to go on the break, but he doesn't have the numbers there. Passes it back to Chris Demata, but Berzosa intercepts it, completing the steal and the layup finish. Berzosa, ang resident runner nitong CBA Hoopers, as that basket trims the lead down to 2, 13-11, 1:05 to go. Here comes Eje. Estanislao swings it to Belmonte, will drive closer, but there's a holding foul called by our referee. That is against number 2, which is Binong. With under a minute to go and 14 seconds for Manila Kingpin East to manufacture a basket, the knockout play is not successful at that time. Here comes Quintal, the stop and pop, the drop back. Versosa gets it and gets a foul in the process. He will troop to the charity stripe for 2 free throws. And syempre, gusto lang kamustahin ang ating viewers dito sa Zeus Basketball live stream sa ating Blue app. So please make sure to follow at mag-follow na dito sa ating Blue app page at Zeus Basketball League para updated tayo sa lahat ng action. As I'm inviting all the players, Chris Demata makes a difficult shot right there over the outstretched arms of the defense. Demata, the down low pass, intercepted by Quintal. It's a 3-on-2. Quintal, the back pass, intercepted by Demata. He was trying to save it, pero goes to the wrong man right here. 8 seconds remaining. Shot clock is turned off. Berzosa shoots it from deep, knocks it down, and that enables them to take the lead 17-15. And after the first quarter, that's 17-15 now in favor of CBA Hoopers. The quarter was capped off by the 3-pointer of Berzosa. We'll be right back for more action dito sa Zeus Basketball League. Mas mabilis pa 'to trumabaho kay Jaya.
Pabuhat, yung pabuhat, yung may ka-time man, yung talaga yung kurang na pabuhat. Yung solo, yung mga malalakas. Kailangan ko, ang sport mo, siyempre, lahat yung mga kapatid.
And we are back for our second quarter right here. Niluta gets the offensive rebound, pass down low, misses that, rebound by Leo. And Kingpin, or Similia right there, drives closer and gets that basket to go. Panaligan all alone right here. It's a 1-on-4. He wisely waits for his teammates. They're trying to map out the play right here. Cassie passes it to Panaligan. Back to Cassie on the wing for 3. Overcooks that one. Subiaga trying to save that, but saves it to the wrong man. Here's Kagatin. Yun lang. lamang. That's a turnover as tumama yung bola dun sa pass. He was trying to escape the defense. And yun, that's a quick and easy basket para sa CBA Hoopers. Goleta knocks down the basket right there from the pitch pass. Swinging the ball is Manila Kingpin, but unable to make that short jumper. Forward pass to Panaligan, finishes the layup and in right here. Ang ganda ng mga pitch passes nitong CBA Hoopers, which makes them able to convert etong mga baskets, as an offensive foul is called on Valle as he was trying to clear the way for Leo right there. That's Leo Villena. Nainis-screen na ni Valle doon. Panaligan will try to map out the play right here para dito sa CBA Hoopers. Passes it to Deluta. Down low to Subiaga. And there's a foul right there. And the foul is called once more to Ednel Semilia. Semilia now has 3 personal fouls dito sa ating second quarter pa lamang. So he's got to watch out for his fouls. But Subiaga unable to make the first free throw. He has one more chance right here to extend the lead. 0 out of 2 right there, unable to take advantage of that opportunity. Kagatin passes it to Semilia. Semilia drives the lane. What a finish by Ednel Semilia. Ni Yoyo pa yun, and Panaligan will do a stop and pop. That's a miss. Rebound goes to Valle. 19-21, 7 minutes and 25. Here comes Leo. Back passes it for 3 points. Overcooks it. Panaligan with the rebound. And Panaligan, once again, the perfect pitch pass. Right there. Going to Subiaga on the break. 23-19 with 7 minutes and 5 seconds. That's something that Manila Kingpin East has to solve if they want to win this ball game. The forward pass once more, pero bago pa man ma-receive ni Cassie yung bola, I was already thinking of scoring. Ito naman on the other side, Semilia gets the foul right here, right there on the drop, or on the drive rather, as he troops to the charity stripe. Semilia has the most points, if I'm not mistaken, right here for Manila Kingpin East, but he's got to watch out for his fouls. He's in foul trouble right here. 3 personal fouls in 2 quarters. Right there, something positive for Manila Kingpin. Semilia there knocks down both free throws. Panaligan gets it across. Panaligan trying to map out this play. Panaligan threats the defense, pero clearly bothered by the long arms of Valle. Here comes Francia, passing it back to Leo with a short jumper, in and out. Panaligan with the rebound. Nahuli but unable to complete the steal. Ito si Kagatin, and a sorry miss from Cassie right there. Manila Kingpin will get it back. Here comes Semilia once more. Adding to his point total, impressive offensive showing from Semilia. He now ties the ball game 23 apiece with 5 minutes and 53 seconds. Panaligan passes it to Deluta. Deluta trying to check his options right here. Passes it back. Gomez on the drive. Drop to Deluta. The short jumper is good. And they get back the lead once more, 25-23 remaining sa ating ikalawang yugto ng larong Manila Kingpin East versus CBA Hoopers. Kagatin passes it to Francia. Down to Semilia. Third jumper is also good. Palitan ng basket dito. And syempre, Zeus Basketball League ang lamang pag ganyan. Syempre gumaganda ang ating labanan. The Hesi by Panaligan passes it back to Doleta. A little bit strong doon, pero Panaligan gets the miss. Outside nga lang, and this comes our mandatory substitution. 25-25 sa ating talaan, 4 minutes and 56 seconds to go. For Manila King, it's Demata, Ehe, Estanislao, Gatoula, and of course, Cainta Green Parks Pride, Eric Calar, all come in for the first time dito para sa Manila King East. Calar. Will pass down low to Ehe. Ehe does the reverse. He gets a foul in the process. He'll to the charity stripe for 2 free throws. That's Tagulabong's first personal foul. Jeremy Ehe. 2 free throws. First throw, that's a miss.
Error dito, error.
And there was some error right here. That's why Ehe will shoot for a third time. Unable to take advantage of that. 0 out of 2. Iba pa rin talaga ang bilis ng isang Eric Calar. Batang-bata. Here's Quintao. Kickball. Shot clock resets to 14. Ball possession stays with CBA Hoopers. Versosa passes it to Quintao on the wing. Uses the screen and shoots a 3. Knocks it down. John Glenn Quintao knocks down a 3-pointer to take the lead. The 28-25, 3:55 to go. Demata down low to Gatoula. What a hook shot right there. Lost out yan dito as now players are going for positionless basketball. And siyempre, yung mga hook shot na ganyan, mga big man moves, it's a lost art. Quintao, in and out, can't go back to back. Tagulabong, that's what he does best, doing the dirty work, follows it up with a short jumper. Estanislao clears the board. Here comes Demata. Passes to Gatoula. The tap goes to Demata, the short jumper, and right there. But the putback, Estanislao gets that putback to go in and out. Kay Versosa, don't sorry, miss. Eric Calar clears the rebound. 29-28 ang kalamangan. Nandito na pala sa Manila Kingpin East. Trying to go off the glass, misses that. And ball possession goes to Manila Kingpin East. Much to the dismay right there of CBA Hoopers, they're asking for a foul, but we'll be back for more action after this timeout. And we are back with the rest of the second quarter right here. Demata inbounding the ball to Calar. Calar showing off his handles. Pass down low to Estanislao. To Demata. What a pass. Unable to make that. Follow-up is also a miss. But Calar tracks the rebound. Here comes Gatoula. The hook misses that. Demata with the rebound. Medyo parang agawan buko dito Nobody's letting up. Hawak-hawak pa rin nila ang bola. It's Estanislao and Bersosa. Ball possession though stays with the Manila Kingpin East. Almost a steal right there. Unable to complete that. And they only have now 8 seconds remaining sa shot. Or 7 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Kalar. Using the screen. Passes to Demata. Three! In and out for Chris Demata. Quintao. Leading the break. Stop and pop. Quintao. Bang! John again. Quintao right here. And the foul right here goes against CBA Hoopers, much to their dismay.
Tumama sa mukha eh. Abag sa mukha.
And the ball possession stays now, or goes back here to Manila Kingpin East.
Wala nang gagawin kasi galing siya sa talon eh. Talagang pababa siya sa talon.
Tawag talaga yun.
Kalar to ahead, down to Gato Ula! Using every inch of that wide body of his. He troops to the charity stripe for 2 free throws. 31-29, 1 minute and 37 seconds remaining. 2 free throws for Gato Ula. Misses the first. Emotions and tensions tumataas dito as there were some missed calls na kinokontent. Ito na naman si Quintao, clearly marked by Ere. Tagulabong swings it to Sosa on the corner, misses that. Estanislao clears the rebound, passes it to Kalar. Ganyan dapat ang point guard, always head up. Kalar drives to the lane, misses that. And there's a foul right there from Kalar to stop the fast break netong CBA Hoopers. Quintao once again a stop and pop, unable to make that time. Ball goes back to Kalar's hand, passes it to Gato Ula. Medyo hindi nagkaintindihan ron, but he got it down. Demata will drive down to Gato Ula, blocked there up top by Binong, follows it up, misses it. Demata, the ball ends up with Kalar, short jumper, gets a lucky bounce. And Kalar tied game with 30 seconds remaining, 31-31. This is a very, very intense fight, ladies and gentlemen. Quintao tried to map out the play right here. Passes it to Bersosa. Bersosa driving to the baseline. Passes it back. Quintao with 5 seconds on the clock. Quintao will shoot over the after shots of Ere. Got a short cut all over the rebound. 5 seconds on the clock right here. Ere will shoot the player. Jeremy Ere knocks down the buzzer beater to end our second quarter. 34-31. We'll be right back after a few reminders and after for more action dito sa Sayers Basketball League Oldies but Goodies 40-up division.
Sa malapit na hindi makashoot. Tapos ninago sa malapit.
Nga
Dick.
And we are back dito sa ating second half against for CBA Hoopers versus Manila Kingpin East. At syempre, I would like to give a big shout out to Raymond Bartido, Mike Harabe, Bernie June Leonida, and maraming salamat sa pag-comment sa ating live stream. Maraming salamat din for tuning in dito sa Zeus Basketball League Oldies but Goodies 40-up Division. And eto, I'm expecting a lot more intensity and intense action dito sa second half ng CBA Hoopers versus Manila Kingpin East. And just to remind the viewers out there, open sub tayo. Sarsuela up taking it down to Deleta. The turnaround basket is good for Mark Deleta. Balik ka possession dito para sa Manila Kingpin East. Demata down low to Eje, passes to Estanislao, down back to Eje, off the glass is good. And Sarsuela will get it across for CBA Hoopers. Passes it to Panaligan. Correction, that is Sarsuelo. My bad. But Demata gets a steal. Forward passes it to Kagatin. Tama. Make that 38-33, 8 minutes and 50 seconds. Swinging the ball, trying to find the gaps in the defense. Demata for three. A little bit strong, he'll try once more. Unable to make that. Medyo struggle after his first 3-point shot. But the pass, sobrang lakas naman dito. 38-25 or 38-35 rather. 8 minutes and 15 seconds Kagatin. Passes it to Demata. They're swinging the ball around. Leo has possession. Cross court to Demata. Down low pass is intercepted. Ball possession will remain with the Manila Kingpin East. Kagatin passes it to Demata. Corner, three-pointer. Gets it to go. Extending the lead to 6. Sarsuelo, pass down low, intercepted by Leo. The pass back to Deleta for 3. Overshoots it. Here comes Manila Kingpin. Kagatin, one-hander, misses that. Leo with a rebound. Lefty jumper, misses that one. Deleta forward, passes it. Sarsuelo now handling the ball. Sarsuelo, pass down low, intercepted by Estanislao. Kagatin now on the run. It's a 4-on-2. Passes to Demata. Sorry, miss right there. Sarsuelo passes now to Muhammad. Another missed gimme. Demata with the in and out. Demata, hang the finish. 45. Manila Kingpin humming now. CBA Hoopers has got to stop this. Muhammad blocked by Eje. Eje at his best. Kagatin all alone. And that from CBA Hoopers to call a timeout right there. We'll be back for more action here dito sa third quarter ng Zeus Basketball League. CBA Hoopers versus Manila Kingpin East. Umakit na yung mga Raiders. So ito na, umaasid na. Ay, hindi pala Raiders yung tinira ko. Kaya pala, Alfonso kami pala. Tubig lang. And we're back to the ball game right here. 10-point lead now for Manila Kingpin East. 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Here comes Sarsuelo. Passes it to the corner, to the left aisle. Drive the lane. Bubble clutches it. Gets the bang in the bucket. Kitang-kita naman talaga ang kanyang kitang-kita ang kanyang desire to score a basket, to stop the bleeding dito para sa CBA Hoopers. He troops to the charity stripe for the bonus free throw. He completes the three-point play opportunity. Kalar will bring down the ball para dito sa Manila Kingpin. Passes it to Dimata. He'll try once more. Overshoots that. Muhammad with the rebound. Passes it to Sarsuelo. To Panaligan on the corner. Panaligan splits the defense to Muhammad. Try to fake it. Still another block from Jeremy. Unlike what I said kanina, that's Jeremy at his best with a shot block right there. Mendoza trying to shoot it but misses that one. Balik ang possession dito sa Manila Kingpin East. Kalar will be the director right here for Manila Kingpin. Semilia down low, the fake, the shot. Referee says the defender stayed his ground. Eto, all alone. Muhammad to Panaligan. They trimmed the lead down to 45-40 with 5 minutes remaining sa ating ball game. Kalar swings it. Belmonte on the wing, in and out. Doleta with the rebound. Here comes CBA Hoopers. Panaligan finishes it. And lead is down at the 45-42 with 4 minutes and 42 seconds remaining. We'll be right back for more intense action dito sa Sayers Basketball League. And we are back sa ating ball game. How will Manila Kingpin East respond right here? 7-0 run para sa CBA Hoopers. Lead is down to 3, 45-42. Kagatin passes down low to Semilia. Misses that one. Referee says defender stayed ground, but Gatoula knocks down the basket to stop the bleeding right here temporarily. Quintao to Panaligan to Versosa on the other wing. 10 seconds to shoot. Tagulabong looking for teammates. Versosa shoots in the corner pero misses that. Kalar will bring it down. Sees Belmonte, but it is Biaga. Ito to Panaligan. Make that 9-2 run here for CBA Hoopers. They're humming dito sa ating third quarter. 3 minutes and 42 seconds, 47-44. Kalar passes it down low. Gataula gets the basket to go after that big spin. Wide body. Tagulabong mahaba pero manipis. Gatola using every inch of that wide body of his. Quintao passes it back to Panaligan. Uses a screen. Panaligan, another screen right there. Kili-kili shot. Mintis yan. Steal by Eric Kalar to Kagatin. Kagatin weaving through. Batik possession right here And tensions are going up right here. Kalar and Versosa.
Tsaka kalar, dalawang kalar ha. Tapos 18-18. Isa.
Let's see what will be the call right here. Our commissioner.
18-16. Double technical tayo. 18 ng black, tapos 16 ng white. Dalawang kalar.
Alright. To calm down every altercation right here. Both the players talking about Versosa and Kalar right here. Both metted with a technical foul. No free throws kasi cancelled out ito. Here comes Kalar on the drive. Spin move, jumper, short. Ball possession goes, or ball possession stays with Manila Kingpin East, 49-44. Kalar, showing off his sandals. Passes it to Kagatin sa corner. That's short, so Biaga with the rebound. They'll go on the run na naman. And ball possession stays with CBA Hoopers. Or rather, CBA Hoopers keeps the possession. Tagulabang will end down the ball. Sees Quintao. Passes it to Versosa. The uptick. Versosa. The elbow jump shot is good. Fake, well used. 2 minutes na lang nalalabi, 49-46. Hindi pa ma-break nitong CBA Hoopers itong 3-point barrier. Nakalamangan ng Manila Kingpin. Kagatin, swings to Kalar. Drives the lane. Kalar with a jumper. In and out. Emilia gets the rebound and gets the foul as well. That's against Tagulabong. And Tagulabong, Joser has got to watch it. He has 3 personal fouls dito. As Emilia will trip to the charity stripe. 2 free throws for him. In and out.
Saan mo kaya? Sige pa.
Second throw right here for Emilia. He gets that to go. Make that 50-46 with 1 minute and 37 ticks to go. Panaligan will try to map out the play right here. Quintao, nagtatangka. Passes it to Subiaga. That's a turnover. Here comes Manila Kingpin. Emilia misses that. Gimme. Kalar gets called for a foul. And that is also Eric Kalar's 3rd personal foul. Panaligan swings it. Versosa driving. Short jumper. Misses. Kalar with the rebound. To Kagatin. Down low to Gatuula. Ginawa ang tatlong depensa. But he misses that sa Emilia. Tagulabong Ceci. Straight down, but there's a foul. Loose ball that is. That's against Tagulabong. That's his 4th personal foul. One more and is out of this ballgame. He's been defending very well para sa CBA Hoopers. Gatuola showing off his range. Make that 52-46. Now Panaligan will get it across. Swings to Quintao, who shoots for 3. Misses that. Rebound. Tagulabong pero unable to keep that ball. Surprisingly, CBA keeps the possession and rapid a fly-by one-hander. Netong si Panaligan. Kagatin knows the game clock is less than 5 right now. Kagatin. 1 second to go. One second on the clock right here. Kagatin down low. unable to make that shot right here. But at the end of the third quarter, 52-48, Manila Kingpin East will temporarily stop the bleeding right here after an enormous run from CBA Hoopers. Fourth quarter will be intense, sobra. Kaya naman, abangan nyo and stay tuned dito sa ating action dito sa Seiyus Basketball League. We'll be right back for the fourth and final quarter.
Sa block yun. White na tayo. Ay, tabal ko. Hindi tayo. White tayo, di ba? No, white tayo, white.
Alright, to start, when we're back here sa ating fourth and final quarter, and to start, they have Cagatin, Demata, Estanislao, Eje, and Gatohula. Quintao, Panaligan, we have Subiaga, Doleta, and Versosa for CBA Hoopers. Gatohula, turnaround jump shot, that is good. Uy! Ito na ang magandang balita dito sa Seiyus Basketball League. Sa wakas, tingin ko, may susuot na rin natin ang ating uniforms. Maraming salamat po, Kume, Seiyus. At syempre, di pa patalo kahapon dahil agad di pa tapos yung game. Tingin ko, mauulit-ulit yun ngayon. As Doleta gets the foul right there before the shot clock expires. He'll troop to the charity stripe for 2 free throws.
2XL lang.
Sa akin ha? Sa akin.
Wala pa sa'yo.
2XL ako.
Sa akin eh. 2XL ka ba? Bigyan mo muna Jer, bigyan mo muna sa akin. 2XL. Gagong putang ina. Ang gago.
Ay, Gatdula pala yun.
Ganda naman yung jersey na yan.
And sorry, my apologies right here, no. I've been calling the name wrong kasi yung font sa jersey. But it's Gatdula, sorry. My apologies for that one. Here comes Subiaga though, on the run. Gets the bang in the bucket. Hindi na lang bibigay doon yung leading scorer pa naman.
7, dalawa na yan. Score mo pare, 15. Tulog ah. Nagkagalit na, tulog-tulog na.
And he knocks it down. This still a 3-point barrier na gustong basagin netong CBA Hoopers. They are able to do that. Kanina pang third quarter. Ganyan lang. 5-3, 5-3. Doon lang naglalaro. Demata, pass to Gatdula. The hook shot is good. That's a hook shot from the free throw line. Gabriel Gatdula. Quintao passes it to Doleta. Doleta driving the lane. Doleta finishes with a jumper off the drive. Forward pass Cagatin to Demata. Chris Demata finishes up against the outstretched arms of Mark Doleta. He will troop to the charity stripe, complete the 3-point play. Cagatin giving CBA Hoopers a taste of their own medicine. It's now a 5-point lead still dito para sa Manila Kingpin East. Chris Demata unable to take advantage as Quintao knocks down a 3-pointer, brace it from deep. Estanislao on the break. That's a block up top and the stay down for Mark Deluta. And a steal. Back defensive plays from Deluta. Quintao with a stop and pop. Unable to go back to back. But Versosa finishes up off the follow-up. Game is now tied, 58-58, 7 minutes and 25 seconds. Gatdula. Turnaround jump shot! This guy's hot, ladies and gentlemen. It's been a bright spot here. The only man making plays right now for Etong Manila Kingpin East, keeping them afloat. Kagatin trying to break down the defense. Here comes Gatdula with a sidestep, but an offensive foul is called as Kagatin tries to clear the way for his teammate. Here comes Vileta, asking for a foul, unable to get it, passes it back to Panaligan. Panaligan trying to split the defense. Here comes Vileta, fade away jump shot, misses that time, but Subiaga with a follow-up. Wow, what a game. 60-60, 6 minutes and 34 seconds to go. Kagatin here will shoot from 3, overshoots it. Subiaga with the rebound. Siya na rin bababa ng bola. It's a 4-on-2. Passes it to Quintao. A little bit late on the pass, but Panaligan drops it down low. Quintao finishes it. Ito naman si Gatdula. Helter-skelter basketball. But a good defense from Dileta right there, stopping the play. TBA Hoopers now taking the lead, 62-60, with only 5 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. Passes to Kagatin here. They're trying to find the gaps in the defense. Gatdula, man of the hour for Manila Kingpin East. It ties the game, 62 apiece. Panaligan will try to get it across. Here, just right in time, almost a turnover. Doleta will drive the lane using all his might. But it is a turnover, asking for a foul right there. 2-on-2. Kalar to Kagatin. The elbow shot, misses that. Mistimed it, ito si Bersosa. But Kalar asking for a foul right there. Pero play goes on, no whistle from the referee. And a technical foul on Eric Kalar.
May technical na kanina, di ba? 16. Trouser na, out of the play.
Ito mo naman nandito yan, oh. Umangat
Ako
to.
na bola, idol.
Paano umangat to?
Kaya nga sir, bola.
Paano umangat to?
Out of the play. Nakakas talaga, nakakas. Inura ako, direct contact. Inura ako.
And as per our referees right here, Eric Kalar gets called for the second technical foul. That is using profane language right here. That's an automatic technical for folks who don't know. And Kalar will now, or is now thrown out of the basketball court here for getting 2 technical fouls. Tensions flaring up as Quintao gets the first to go. 63-62. One of the joys of my life right here is watching Eric Kalar dazzle his way through the basket. Pero medyo masishort ako ngayon dahil ayun na nga. Kalar gets thrown out. Austin Chow knocks down another 3-pointer, extending the lead right here up to 66-62. 4 minutes and 52 seconds to go. Kagatin to Demata, babawi. Bang! That temporarily stops the bleeding here for Manila Kingpin. 66-65. Panaligan trying to find the gaps in the defense. Passes it to Quintao. Driving the lane, drop to Subiaga. And he clears the rebound. Here comes Manila Kingpin. Kagatin will try to get it across. Passes it to Down low to Belmonte. Sorry, miss. Forward pass ngayon ni Deluta. To Quintao, man of the hour for CBA Hoopers. He's been torching Manila Kingpin from deep. Quintao loses the ball. Yun lang. And now, that prompts a timeout from Manila Kingpin. Trying to make sure of this possession. They'll try to get the back, get back the lead right here to get momentum dito sa Seiyus Basketball League game natin. At eto, 4 minutes and 5 seconds, 66-65. At eto na, we will see more intense action moving forward. Our commissioner talking to the refs right here, trying to make sure everything is good. To make sure we control this ball game. Kasi tensions are flaring up right here. Medyo umiinit. Dikit na dikit ng laban, 66-65. And this, a good commissioner right here. Maraming salamat po sa pa-t-shirt mo, Comseus. At sana, malasing mo kami.
Wala, patama ko tayo sa'yo. Wala kang sa akin.
Manila Kingpin with the possession right here. What will they do? This is an after timeout play right here. Down to Gatdula, the turnaround hook shot. Quintao clears the rebound. Panaligan will get it across for CBA. Passes to Quintao from deep. Misses that time, but Subiaga follows it up. Asking for a pushing foul right there. And will bring it down to Manila Kingpin. Kagatin will calm everybody down right here. Passes it to Belmonte. Deep corner. But Gatdula follows up the basket. And that prompts CBA Hoopers to call a timeout right here. As Manila Kingpin gets back the lead, 67-66. We'll be right back for the rest of the fourth quarter.
Isa na lang. Wala. Wala rin.
Ito yung tubig, ang tayo.
Asan na yung ano? Dito, asan na yung call situation natin? Ay, tama to.
Alright, we're back sa ating ball game, fourth and final quarter, game reset. Both teams, isang timeout na lamang. At etong Manila Kingpin with 3 team fouls, 1 team foul pa lamang para sa CBA Hoopers. 3:21. How will this all play out? Let's find out. Panaligan there, not using the screen, going the other way. Passes it to Bersosa. Deleta asking for it down low. No pass. Bersosa off to shoot it, missing that entirely. As Kagatin gets the board. Passes it to Demata on the wing to Gatdula. The fade away. Wait, Idol.
Judging, 56. 5 pounds. 5 pounds.
And unfortunately, Tagulabong fouls out of the ball game. Foul kay Gatdula, who misses the free throw shot. 67-66 pa rin sa ating talaan. 2 minutes and 52 seconds to go. Gatdula for the second. Gets it to go right here. 68-66. 2 minutes and 52 seconds. Subiaga playing well. Deleta playing well as well. Ito na ang CBA Hoopers. More room kasi wala na si Tagulabong dito sa ilalim. Clears a little bit more space. Doleta asking for a foul right there. None given. And babalik dito ang possession sa CBA Hoopers. Quintao Mano y mano contra Belmonte, turning on the Jets! Quintao finishing the layup here. John Glenn Quintao keeping CBA Hoopers afloat, tying the ball game here. 68-68 with 2 minutes remaining sa ating ball game. Belmonte passes it to Eje. To Demata, cross-court pass. Demata, the one-hander is good. 70-68. What an intense ball game this is. Here comes Quintao. Quintao uses the screen. Shoots it from deep. Up to the left. Got in with the rebound. That was a little bit of a heat check from Quintao. Demata will bring it down. He gets it across para sa Manila Kingpin. Demata down low to Demata. The one-hander. It is in. 72-68, a 4-point lead para sa Manila Kingpin. Panaligan, turning on the Jets. Drop to Subiaga. Really bothered by A.S. Lent. A block again from Jeremy A. That's what he does best. Panaligan shoots. Overshoots that parang minadali. And all alone right here is Chris Demata. Fumbles it. Tama to. And much to the dismay right here, or Mark Deleta was called, and the foul got upgraded to a unsportsmanlike foul right here. Referees talking this out right here to see if it's gonna get upgraded. Tensions, emotions, mataas na mataas dito as this is only a 4-point lead for Manila Kingpin. 72-68, 49 seconds remaining.
Upgrade ito ang smoke.
Paano ang resume natin?
2 shots plus possession. 2 shots lang. Wala na. Yung meter niya, nandun na sa transport mallet. Sir, may answer ko tayo, sir. Upgrade na siya. So, save mo lang. Save mo lang.
And the Mapa will shoot 2 free throws and they will get back the possession right here. It's upgraded to a unsportsmanlike foul. The Mata takes advantage. 2 out of 2 for Chris Demata, coming up clutch right here for Manila Kingpin. 49 seconds, 74-68. 14. Belmonte shoots from the corner. Bang! That hurts. Belmonte knocks down a 3-pointer from the corner. Binong. Sagot naman doon, 77-69. But that 3-pointer hurt for Belmonte. Demata being doubled right here. Passes it to Belmonte. To Kagatin. Gets the lucky bounce. 79-70. 20 seconds remaining. That's a turnover. Total meltdown right here from CBA Hoopers. Medyo nakafocus kasi sa tawag kanina. Medyo nagreklamo sila sa mga tawag and that shifts their focus. Kaya naman nung nag-run etong Manila Kingpin, yun na, hindi na nakabalik at di na nakabangon muli itong CBA Hoopers. 5 seconds remaining. This is a win for Manila Kingpin. Finally breaking to the win column. Breaking into the win column, etong Manila Kingpin East. And yan, our best player of the ball game. This is Chris Mata, ladies and gentlemen. 79-70 at the end of regulation. Umpisa pa lamang yan. We have another game to go. So stick around, stay tuned para sa ating second game, Shauna Autoworks versus Kick Zone.